Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah seems to be on the defensive over the June 4th Bengaluru stampede after the RCB victory right outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Speaking in the assembly, Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar basically both said that this is not the government's fault. It was mass hysteria. It was RCB's responsibility. They were the ones who organized the event. They should be held responsible, insisting that this wasn't a state failure. The Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself said that the city saw RCB's win as its pride, and as a leader, he had to bow to public demand for a grand celebration. He admitted being deeply pained by the loss of lives, but agreed that such incidents are not unique to Karnataka, pointing out that at least 20 stampedes have occurred in BJP-ruled states as well. The BJP hit back hard, saying accountability lies squarely with the Chief Minister. Leaders like Vijayendra, R. Ashoka demanded responsibility. From blaming mass hysteria to pointing at BJP states. Siddaramaiah, at this point, deflecting the heat altogether. Of course, he says there have been stampedes of such nature in many other states, BJP-ruled states. Why didn't the BJP netas resign at that point? Questions being asked at the BJP when they demanded the Chief Minister's resignation over the stampede.
We did not expect such an answer by Chief Minister on the floor of the House. The truth is, it was on the insistence of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, victory celebration was organized on the grand steps of Vidhan Soudha. The main person who has to be held guilty in this is Chief Minister himself. Because of his tweet, because of his decision, such a big celebration was organized in such a short span.
CM says it is not my fault, it is not government fault, it is fault of police. I think police is different, government is different. Main culprit is Mr. Siddaramaiah and others.